Okay. I know that probably wasn't that good, but group 25.
All decorated in Christmas. Very nice.
We need coffee, Michael.
Yes.
Right now.
We're gonna go get some coffee.
Cranky.
We have two cranky girls here today. So if you don't see me by the end of this video, I'll be somewhere in Animal Kingdom, buried probably.
Me and Jillian don't know where we're going, so we have to wait for Michael to direct us to the coffee.
We need Starbucks now.
Stat! It's an emergency. We never come to Animal Kingdom, so we know where nothing is. Did you find it? That's enough. We're en route to the coffee. You were near it the whole time. We were literally like steps away. The cast member told us to follow our noses to find it. If only that was helpful information. I want the biggest coffee they have on the menu. What are you gonna get, girls?
Biggest coffee they have on the menu.
That's what I said. Are you copying me?
You copying me. You hit your head? Yeah. Oh man. A little bit.
What did you think? Well, I know what you think.
I like that ride.
What did you think, Jills?
I liked it.
You liked it?
Still hurts a little though.
Yeah.
And we also banged our head a little bit.
Yeah.
When it came to a stop,
Oh, really?
the back really jerked you and it went like into the pad, but we were like, oh shoot.
Okay, so basically, when I was sitting here waiting for them to be done with the ride, I feel like this is a good, with Everest, I feel like this is a good place to sit if you want to see the boat parades because they all went by multiple times and I saw all of them just while sitting here and they only were on that ride for...
You seen all of them?
I think so, yeah.
We were only gone for maybe 10 minutes.
Yeah, I saw Pocahontas, the drummers, Donald...
Mickey?
Oh no, there's a Mickey?
There's a Mickey one, I think.
Okay, so... well, can we sit and see then?
Yeah.
Okay, so I saw pretty much all of them waiting for them, so... Yeah. You should definitely sit over here if you are interested in seeing the boat parades.
Got pretty pink birds. You got some ugly looking vultures in the back. I don't know if we can see them. Let's see. Oh, we can. Look how mean they look. Yeah, that one wasn't happy. I wonder if he's gonna do it again. Let's see. He's looking this way. Yeah, he's not very happy this one. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, he's not a happy camper, this one. Look at him. Oh, they're not very happy. What's the matter? What is it? Oh, you're pretty.
Look at these two. Looking at the birds. Don't they know we don't like birds? I want to do some shopping. I need to get coffee. We're in Animal Kingdom. It's my least favorite, but ew, it stinks too. And Michael keeps taking detours to take pictures of the animals.
Got it on camera, Alex. They tried to attack.
Wow. Ugh, what is that?
What is what?
What is it doing? Ugh. I don't like birds. This looks like the holiday hoodie I got, but just with the castle. Oh. Oh, this one is new, I think.
Which one?
This chip mug.
It looks cool.
It's so cute. And look at the spoon is like steam. Is it weird to get the mug with your last name initial? And this is not even going to be my last name for a full year. But I don't like the A, and I like the C. I don't know. Michael thinks it's weird.
I think you're weird.
Look how
Alex and Jill got ice cream.
And they put them upside down in a cup to be contactless.
They cannot touch the cones, so
feel like
that's what they
kinda
do.
funny.
And it kind of looks like a wizard Mickey hat a little bit.
Yeah.
Not really, but it does.
Mrs. Mommy. Yeah, right? Here's the balance. Or she. I don't see any hanging parts. Go, 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 go.
Get the ducks.
What are we gonna go on, Jills? Or what are we gonna do?
The Bug's Life one.
It's tough to be a bug. Right, Gelly?
I don't know, I'm not a bug. You're a pest. So we just finished the show. It's tough to be a bug. How do you feel, Alex?
I didn't really like that, honestly. Because, first of all, it like shoots out airy and you're like, ah! And then it gets you wet, and I don't like to get wet. And then it feels like bugs are on you, kind of. And then these big things like that look like spiders walk down from the ceiling. I just feel a little in distress, honestly.
How about you, Jill? Did you like it?
I thought it was cute.
It was definitely funny. There was a part where a pointer in the back of the chair literally like points your back when the wasps attack. And that made me jump, but that was hilarious. Overall, good show. Disney Springs! Still decorated for Christmas, which is awesome. Jillian got a clear case, and I think they have little
Mickey's on the
Mickey's.
side.
Oh, yep, you can see them. Cool.
And this goes on your phone. It's a card holder, and it has the castle in the corner.
Very cool. All right, so we're leaving Disney style. And Alex, tell them what you did.
I was holding, Hillary asked me to pick up a mask. So I had it like behind my phone and I had it in my hands and I was holding my drink in one hand and the mask and the phone in this hand. And I'm like walking out where I literally took a step out of the store and I looked down and I see it in my hand. I was like, oh my God, I almost stole this. And the lady that was standing by the door, she was just like, she didn't even notice I had it in my hand. And I literally like turned around and ran to the register. And my heart is like pounding, so I was like, I obviously wasn't intentionally like, I would never do that.
She was trying to be like me and take something without noticing.
But
good try, Alex.
Oh my gosh, my chest is like tight.
Literally over a mask that was like $6.
I think it was 11.
Oh
But
man.
I'm not sure, I have to look.
You're going to jail for that.
Oh, that was scary.
Woohoo! We made it!
I'm a little annoyed at Michael.
So, I just got in trouble.
Michael got in trouble.
Apparently you can't film walking through a metal detector.
No, just through their security, I thought.
Yeah, which is a metal detector. That's really high-end security. But Jillian got through without having to check her bag this time. Woohoo! Good job, Jill. And I got yelled at. I deleted the last video just so I didn't get in trouble. Oopsie daisy. Welcome home!
Held up, Mickey.
Jillian is really upset that it doesn't tell her to welcome home.
Not fair.
Well, here we are. Hollywood Studios. Doesn't look that packed, which is pretty good. I guess because we're a little late for coming here. However, there's still a decent amount of people. Okay, just hopping off a Rise of the Resistance. What do you think, Jill?
It was fun. I liked that one.
Isn't that so cool?
Yeah.
That's like, we are not even Star Wars people, but that's like the best for us.
It was fun.
Yeah.
Definitely a fun ride. We've decided to go into Toy Story World Land? What do they call it? Toy Story Land? World?
Here we go.
Magic Kingdom, yay!
Going to Magic Kingdom. Okay, we are off to Magic Kingdom all the way over there. Monorails were down this morning, so we are on a boat. So we have landed at Magic Kingdom.
Welcome home.
Welcome home. It's up. Green one does not say welcome home. Green does not say welcome home. Purple does.
See, that's
Sorry, Jill.
I'm not welcome.
Christmas.
Feels magical. Yay, it's so pretty.
I love how they keep the decorations up.
I love the tree.
Oh, look who's up top. Very cool. Mickey, Minnie, Pluto, Daisy, Donald.
Well, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are the Dapper Dans of Main Street, the best barbershop quartet in a 2-block radius.
This just in. What was it, Alex? Can you tell me what you said? Come on. Come on, say it for the camera.
I don't need Michael's money, I said.
Welcome to It's a Small World. For your safety, please remain seated throughout your voyage.
We never ever go on this ride, but Jillian is with us, and she likes it.
Thank you.
Right, Jill?
And now we're in the front row.
And here comes the nightmares.
Oh my god, it's already a different language? What? I thought the first round was It's a Small World in English, but I guess not. Oh my gosh! Is this St. Patrick's Day? I love St. Patrick's Day! I feel like I haven't been on this ride in so long that I don't even remember it. like those sparkly shamrocks, I don't even remember that. Hello, sir. Nice horse. Wait, is that a donkey? Whatever. I feel like I'll see that in my nightmares. Goodness, it is a sparkly elephant. I love that. umbrella. Honestly, in all seriousness, I feel like that is 11 and a half minutes of my life I'll never get back. Do you agree?
It's making me tired.
Yeah. Okay, so I think the reason me and Michael don't usually go on it is not because we don't like it. It's because it's so long and kind of repetitive. Yeah. So we're having a productive day, right, Jules?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree, girls?
Yeah.
Green archway.
Thank you.
We can never find anything. Just kidding. Gelly pretty much finds everything. I don't know where anything is. Right?
That's because I'm not afraid to ask questions.
No matter how many times I come here, I can never find my way around.
We just got off a Small World and she's like, where's 7 doors? Right there.
What are we doing?
Waiting in line for Winnie the Pooh.
And the wait was like 20 minutes, right?
That's what it said. Find out.
So we're not doing 7 dwarfs, but that's okay.
We might do it afterwards. Maybe the line will go down.
Maybe. I want ice cream.
I'm not a fan of ice cream, but we can go get it. I'm not a fan of ice cream.
What's been your favorite ride so far? She says Small World. I'm gonna pull it.
No, one of the roller coasters, I don't know.
Big Thunder we went on.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Decided to make a pit stop before leaving. And we are heading into the confectionery. Alex is excited.
It's like a rice, like a
The
Oreo.
Rice Krispie treat. Mickey's coffee.
Mickey coffee.
Look at
That
that.
would be perfect for my coffee bar that I'm changing to be just Disney themed, not for every holiday anymore. It's becoming too much.
Which I said. Somebody doesn't want to listen. Quack, 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 quack. I guess they're done with Disney too. They look like they're about to leave the park as well. We're gonna take them home with us. Maybe not. Guess they're just hungry. What's up, Duck?